How to install Covenant on Kodi 18.2. Click the settings icon. Click File Manager. Click on Add Source. Click where it says None. Type in the URL http://lvtvv.com/repo. Enter the name Kodil and click OK. Go back to the main menu and click Add-ons. Click the add-on package icon. Click Install from zip file. Now select Kodil from the list, then click repository.kodil1.3.zip. Wait for the repository to download. Click Install from repository. Then Kodil Repository. Select Video Add-ons from the list. Find Covenant from the list, or search it by clicking left arrow. It will pop up View option. Click Search. Type COV, then click OK. Select Covenant. Click on Install button. And click OK button. Wait for the repository to download. Covenant is installing now. That's it, add-on installed. Enjoy it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.